Welcome to Mondays with Marvin. I'm Jennifer McDonald, and today I'm going to show you how to make some salt colorful jars. So for this project, you're going to need some salt, you're going to need some cups, you're going to need some containers that you would like to design, you're going to need some food coloring, and then something to stir with. I just cut some straws in half because that would be easy to stir with. And then I also have a bucket to pour over. So maybe a bowl or a cookie sheet or something that will catch the extra salt if you spill any. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to do 5 different colors. So I am going to pour some salt into each container. And then I'm going to add food coloring to each container. So I'm going to make a yellow, in this last one, I'm going to make a purple. So this is something that you can mix some colors with your children to see the different colors that you can mix. So I know blue and red together will make purple. So I'm going to add both colors to those. So then I'm just going to take my straw and I'm going to mix that food coloring in with the salt. I'm going to give it a nice spin, get all that color mixed in. So now you can see I have yellow in this one. Still a little blue, so I think I'm going to add a little bit more red. All right, and now you can see that one's more of a purple. So I'm done with my stir sticks. So then what you're going to do is decide what kind of container you would like to make some layers in to give you a look. Bigger dishes. And you don't always have to have them laid flat. So I might start with red on this one. Put some red on this side. Then I'm going to use that green and put some there. Then I'll take some of that blue on that corner. Red. Follow with some purple. And then, like I said, you just want to make sure it's tight. So I'm going to put my lid on there so it doesn't hang. And then I'm just going to tap it on my table to make sure it's tight. Open it back up and see, oh, there's a little bit more space in there, because when kids move it around, you don't want it to mix all those colors up. So there you have a beautiful salt design in a container of your choice. So you could do test tubes, you could do different colors there. If you look at the dollar store, they have lots of different design bowls and cups with lids and different things like that you can do. So lots of fun things to color some salt. Meyer brand, Walmart brand, cheap salt is good. And then let the kids decorate. and talk about mixing those different colors to see the different colors that they can come up with. So we hope you had fun learning how to make some salt jars and letting the kids be creative and create their own designs. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and all of our social media channels. Thanks again for joining us for Mondays with Marvin.